All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to publish and then share that project so all the great work can be shared with the community, with students, teachers, parents, whoever you're hoping to listen to this project. So here we are. I have a project that we did together at White Oaks, a geography scavenger hunt, and all the files have been loaded up with different sounds, and they are collected under one project. All right, now you've been saving them along the way. You save it one more time, you hit publish on the project as a whole. It will auto save one more time, and then you are going to choose a category. I chose game for this because it is a scavenger hunt, and set the visibility to public. All right. If you are trying to kind of test it and you want to have it just be private or unlisted. That way you can test it before you release it to the public. You can go unlisted. Private means you can share it with specific people, and public is anyone. So I'm going to keep it as public. I hit submit, and that project is published, which means now all those sound zones are published as one particular project. Now, in order to get that project and share that out with others, I'm going to go to the top right-hand corner of my screen to my username here, and I'm going to click here. And that brings up the menu of my projects. And I'm going to click on the White Oaks scavenger hunt that I just published and hit share. When you hit share, you get a unique URL that is specifically for that project. So you can copy that. And this is what when you click that link, you've got it over here in this other tab. This is what everyone in the world is going to see. So that it's a loading window with the location and the description that I put in there. And when you click that up, the project is ready to go, and they're able to either listen in. And right now I'm not in the zone, so it's asking whether I want to do some remote listening, or if you click that link when you're on location, it will obtain the location and go from there. So there you go. That's how you publish and then share out that URL with the community that you want to listen.